How to change a Dolly wheel. First spray it with some lubricant, some WD-40, whatever you have. Wait about 30 seconds. This actually broke. They usually break when I try to get them off. You can get these off of Amazon. We got an 8-pack for like $6. Just search Dolly wheel washer, internal tooth wheel washer. Harbor Freight, $8 a piece. When I went, sometimes you can go 30% off everything under $10 in the store. So I think these were literally about $5 a piece. New tires. If you go to Tractor Supply, not so cheap. I remember going to Tractor Supply to get 2 wheels, and the wheels were around $30 or something like that. And meaning to buy a pair of wheels there was like $60 or $50, and I might as well buy a new Dolly. So these were like $5 a piece at Harbor Freight. Go to use, put the washer back on, then put this internal tooth washer on. Use a socket and just pound it back on. And you are good to go. Put the valve stems on the outside of the tire.